Buying Kaspa at 14 cents is like you are buying Bitcoin at $200. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories at the top 10 addresses. Then we're gonna move to the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video with a question that I get asked a lot. Chris, am I too late to invest on Kaspa? Because I just found Kaspa, so I'm worrying if I am too late to invest on Kaspa. So guys, on this video we'll give you an out zoom. This is why I do this comparison, and I tell you like buying today Kaspa is like you're buying Bitcoin at $200. So on this video we're about to speak for all of these things, and if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continuing, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the Kaspa price, because guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is above 14 cents today. We are 8.3% up since yesterday, and more specifically, we are very close to reach new 88. And if we will reach the next coming minutes, the next coming hours, new 88, it means that we will be officially above 15 cents. We actually surpass the previous 88, that, as you can clearly see, is very close to 50 cents. Guys, obviously we will touch the 15 cents area, so it's going to be officially that Kaspa will have 88 above 15 cents. So as you understand, guys, in the current situation of Kaspa, it shows that it is unstoppable. Like, it's crazy how the price day by day, the last 5 days, 6 days, is always going to the upside. Okay, it's crazy how powerful is the buying pressure right now. The buying pressure cannot actually slow down with nothing. Like, it's crazy. But you need to realize that this current pump, obviously, it's not by retail investors. We are in the hands of institutional investors. Institutional investors right now, they can do absolutely everything. This is why I believe the next move is 50-50. Like, we can see a pump to 20 cents or dump like back to 10 cents. It can happen everything. The current situation is in the hands of institutional investors. They can pump and they can dump at the same time. So even these institutional investors, maybe they got different strategies. Like, it doesn't mean that all institutional investors go in one way. Obviously, we can have institutional investors that can short Kaspa, okay, with futures, with lots of money, and maybe we have institutional investors that buy massively, buying aggressively, spots, or even logging in from a trading perspective, okay, with big leverage. Anyway, it can happen everything as the next move. Okay, we will see all of this better in the technical side with price targets precisely. So as you can clearly see, the price is in increasement, 8.9% since yesterday. The last 24 hours we are up, and you can clearly see since we opened this daily candle, right now we are above. So the current situation is looking really bullish, and maybe is imminent for a new 88. Guys, rank remains 27. Guys, this is incredible. This is insane how powerful Kaspa is standing among top 30 coins. Like, it's crazy, because Kaspa isn't backed by top tier exchange, and actually isn't backed by any top tier exchange. And this is more powerful. Even one top tier exchange now that will announce Kaspa will be listed in our spots. It means that Kaspa will skyrocket like straight under top 24, under top maybe 23. And if all the top tier exchanges will start listing Kaspa, obviously, guys, we will be under top 20 and under top 15. I told you that. I warned you. You can go watch all my previous videos like before a month. You will see that I was warning you every day. Like, guys, Kaspa is heading under top 20, under top 15 before the BTC halving. And obviously, we won't see in 1 month all top tier exchanges to list Kaspa. Okay, that's obvious. We will need some time. Like, every month, maybe month by month until the BTC halving, maybe we will see new top tier exchange. So that's gonna be insane, okay? Like month by month, every other month, I don't know exactly, but I believe like a little bit before the BTC halving or in the middle of the BTC halving, we will have actually lots of top tier exchanges behind Kaspa, and you can see Kaspa under top 15 at that point. And let's see, to be under top 15 right now, we will need like approximately from a market cap side, I mean like above 6.7 billion market cap. Right now we have 3.1 billion market cap, so in reality we need a little bit more than double, like 2.3x from here is gonna set us in insane level. Guys, this is really possible, but also you must to be very cautious that, guys, to see from here a double, it's harder than we used to see. Okay, we are speaking here for billions more market cap. It's not like we used to see back in the days when Kaspa was at 3 cents and actually skyrocketed into 6 cents. It's quite different right now. Right now it's way harder. We need institutional investors for this specific thing, and more easier it was when we were actually back here, okay, when actually Kaspa dropped at 0.012 cents and doubled like in a period of couple weeks. So this is quite different right now, okay? Right now this is quite harder, and I must to warn you just to rely on facts, okay? Don't rely in imaginary scenarios. We need institutional investors, and especially we need top tier exchanges to open the door for even more retails, okay? For even more retail investors to come. But also we need these institutional investors to throw multi-million investment in Kaspa, because in that way Kaspa, due to the reason that has fixed supply, okay, right now it's not completely fixed, but I mean we have fixed 28.7 billion, and every month we have a certain supply that coming out from the miners. So as you understand, due to the reason that there is a fixed supply over a certain period of time and the demand is so high, the price is increasement. And this is the most powerful sign of Kaspa, how actually bullish is gonna be by the bull run of 2025, because guys, right now we are not backed by any top tier exchange. If Kaspa emission schedule is quite inflationary, new coins every month with rapid growth coming out from a maximum supply into the total supply, and instead of see like a consolidation phase or dump as other projects do, Kaspa actually has more supply every month and more demand, and the price is increasement. This shows how powerful is Kaspa. People don't get it. People don't get it where Kaspa will be. I say 200 billion market cap is conservative, and people believe that this is the ultimate bull scenario. They cannot realize where Kaspa is standing, because if they could realize where Kaspa is standing, it's clearly that 200 billion is conservative, guys. 250 billion market cap by 2025 is conservative. Like, I believe personally we will see above 300 billion, and I give like more odds to my bullish case scenario. It's not actually bullish for me. I say bullish because some people misunderstood how Kaspa will move. Like, from even if we touch the 180 billion market cap, that for some people is the maximum, for me is bearish. Is bearish scenario for Kaspa. Kaspa will go beyond that. And mark my words, especially if we will see above 10 trillion total crypto market cap. Anyway, we will speak all of these things by the end of the video, and let's go straight, guys, into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, new ATHs from a hash rate 67.90 petahash per second. New ATHs, like, we start again, guys, the new ATHs every day. It's crazy from a hash rate. I mean, due to the reason I told you that by the end days of November, early days of December, more ASICs will be plugged in into the network. The second batch of ASICs will be delivered, and we will see, especially at the middle days of December, that Kaspa hash rate will be above 100 petahash per second, 3 digits. And that's insane because, guys, we will welcome easier, more adoption with more protection. Okay, we need ASICs to protect the network. It's the best protection with that huge computational power. So this is ideal to welcome furthermore adoption, because we increase the hash rate simultaneously with more adoption. Okay, so the current hash rate, it's standing at 64.9 petahash per second. Super bullish too. Okay, we are above 60 petahash per second like all over the day. It's super powerful. The next reduction, guys, is in 17 days. And for those who don't know, guys, Kaspa does halving every month, not every 4 years like Bitcoin. It has the smartest emission schedule that we have ever seen in the crypto space. And actually, due to this rapid emission schedule, all the coins of Kaspa will be out by 2037. Okay, these infos are for those who don't know, for those that are new in Kaspa. Anyway, total mine supply, the total supply right now is 74.44%. All the coins actually that mined are this percentage. And let's go straight into the addresses, because in the addresses you will see that since yesterday we noticed another increasement, okay, approximately above 1,000 addresses. This is very, very insane. That means that in these 1,000 more addresses, we have some more new investors. That's really, really awesome. And as you can clearly see from the address distribution, we have like the last 24 hours, 491 crabs, 441 octopus addresses, 287 fish addresses, 33 dolphin addresses. We lost 11 shark addresses, and the rest is the same. And if we will see actually the top 10 addresses, you will notice that KuCoin actually bought again. It's insane how aggressively KuCoin is buying. KuCoin has right now 933 million Kaspa coins. In the 10th page, they got another wallet with another 20 million Kaspa coins. So in total, KuCoin has got above 950 million Kaspa coins. That's insane. And they are heading straight to become Aquaman, to get in the status of Aquaman, above 1 billion. I believe we're going to see that like the next couple of weeks, days, who knows. And Get.io, as you can clearly see, added in this Kaspa balance another 40 million Kaspa coins. Mixi actually lost from that balance. It can be like a sell-off or withdrawals. Okay, nobody knows. We used to see actually Mixi doing some couple dirty things with this specific wallet, and I told you that I believe that Mixi doing swings. Anyway, I don't want to stick with that for this video. Uphold actually added here another 2 million Kaspa coins. The rest addresses remained the same as yesterday. And let's move straight, guys, into the technical side of Kaspa, because as you can clearly see, this aggressive uptrend movement has no stop. Like, Kaspa is moving in a straight line, and this is for me something that I can say to you that is looking dangerous. Not for me, that I have already packed my bags and actually I do daily dollar cost average, and if the price of Kaspa drop, like, I will buy. It's dangerous for the new investors, because there are lots of people, immature people, inexperienced people, that throw in these prices life savings. So the situation of the next move is on the hands of institutional investors. These guys, the whales, the companies, whatever, can actually pump or dump the price according to what they would like to achieve. Okay, obviously these guys are not stupid. They know exactly what they are doing. I would like to tell you something, that I'm expecting to see a serious correction in Kaspa in some point. I don't know if it's going to happen from here or from 2 cents or from 30 cents. I don't know. I believe that it's going to happen. After some point, we will see a serious correction, like 30, 40, even 50% down. Okay, some people, and we will have again the fad will come around, and the people will say, oh, that's it, Kaspa will get back to 5 cents, 6 cents. We will see all of these scenarios playing out. But in reality, guys, as high we go, the higher the support it will be in the worst case scenario. Like from here, if we won't pump above 50 cents from here, I can see the worst case scenario like maximum worst case scenario with the help of Bitcoin, of course, to see Bitcoin back to $30,000 too, is the 7 cents from here, okay? But as worst case scenario, more likely scenario, like worst scenario, is 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents. More likely scenario if Kaspa will start reversing. But obviously first we need to come back to this massive support, okay? That maybe it's gonna be from 11 cents within 12-13 cents, and we will need actually to come and break it. If we will break it, there is a big probability of a free fall back to 9 cents. Okay, this is gonna be the first stop. The 9 cents is very strong support. If this 9 cents will break, then we're gonna move into worst case scenario like 0.075 cents, 0.085 cents, with the worst case scenario, the 7 cents. If something like bad fundamental news will happen in Bitcoin or in whatever, in Kaspa, who knows, and we will see furthermore straight correction, okay? Not with slow decreasement, like straight dump. But obviously if we will touch the 7 cents as a worst case scenario, it's gonna happen like a bounce immediately. Everyone will buy that huge opportunity. This is why I always tell you guys, have some money in the corner to buy the opportunity, because imagine to throw everything you got in these prices and suddenly you will see a correction back to 9, 8 cents, 7 cents, and you won't have actually the money to buy back, okay, to buy the opportunity. This is why my strategy is dollar daily cost average, and when the price drops, actually I buy the opportunity with heavy bag. Look where we bought previously, like in WealthNet, all my signals in my Patreon group and all members of the WealthNet, we bought every single bottom. And these bottoms will happen again, okay? It's not actually from now we will go always up. These bottoms, as you can clearly see, and especially the third and the fourth bottom, guys, we had massive FAD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And this is where you should buy. This is the opportunity that you should actually go against the masses, against the TA guys, and buy heavily. To remind you, here we had this head and shoulder pattern. And if you remember, when price of Kaspa was back to 0.033 cents, I was one of a few guys that was telling you that Kaspa won't drop below 3 cents. Okay, and actually people were attacking me like, no, Chris, Kaspa, it has a head and shoulder pattern. This is very big pattern in daily time frame, and it will collapse to 1 cent, 2 cents, and all of this kind of imaginary scenarios. I bought massively here. Kaspa panned. All my members in Patreon actually bought that dip, and they actually almost doubled in the next couple weeks, okay? And then again, we had the scenarios of double top, to remind you, double top scenarios here, and suddenly in the 8th day of October, we saw also the war fad. Okay, people did the correlation with Israel because some devs, majority of devs are from Israel and Kaspa. So they did this correlation and another fad emerged. So they were speaking back in the days for this double top, plus the war, plus all of these disaster scenarios. And actually in this retest of this massive upturn movement, I bought again. Okay, and also I gave the signal, and also lots of guys bought with me at 0.041 cents area, and then this parabolic thing happened. Okay, this banana, as I call it in my Discord WealthNet chat. Anyway, right now, as I told you, two scenarios. Be very cautious with what you do. You must be aware of everything. And if you're okay to buy the top, like Chris, look, I buy the top. I don't want actually to risk something. I know if the price will drop, I will buy again. Okay, this is a proper mindset. Nothing wrong to buy the top, but must be aware of that the price can collapse like 40-50% down from where we are standing. If you're okay with that, go for it. Nothing wrong to buy the top. Let's go into the BTC analysis, because as you can clearly see right now, Bitcoin is standing in the same position as yesterday, and maybe the last 2 days is stable in this $36,400. Guys, as I told you, we have two choices here. As we remain above this $35,500 support, this is powerful sign that maybe Bitcoin will explode to $14,000. That I believe is the maximum limit that we can touch in this current situation. But this is not the beginning of the bull run according to my approach. I highly believe that a little bit like before the halving, 1-2 months before halving, we will see weakness in the buying pressure. No one will buy before halving, everyone will buy after halving. So I'm expecting a big correction and maybe a crash back to $31,250. That it will be completely healthy, okay, to happen a little bit before the halving, and after halving we will start building the bull run territory, and that's gonna be bullish afterwards. Okay, so I'm expecting a big trap here to see everyone throwing money here and suddenly the price drop back to $31,250. And this support is really crucial because previously, guys, there was very strong resistance in the bear market of 2022, 2023. We tested that lots of times, and also it was very crucial support line in our last bull run. Okay, since we actually broke that, we immediately entered into the bear market. Okay, it was officially. So this is exactly from the BTC price too. And let's go, guys, into something that I would like to put you in an out zoom. Okay, because some people, and especially the new investors of Kaspa, come to me every day with questions like, Chris, right now I just found Kaspa. Am I too late to buy because it's already above 3 billion? And guys, my answer here is that you should buy. Okay, you should buy. If you do an out zoom right now, Kaspa has 3.1 billion market cap. And I would like to put you in a perspective of you, like if we go into the Bitcoin price and press here the market cap, and we will go back in the days, you will notice that in the April of 2015, and let me actually find the price, the precise price. Here, 18th of April 2015, Bitcoin had 3.1 billion, precisely where Kaspa is standing today. And guys, as I told you, I believe that Kaspa definitely in the future will flip Ethereum, especially with the smart contracts that will come as a third phase. Okay, right now the second phase of Kaspa is the Rustlang, 10 blocks per second. Right now we have 1 block per second. Very soon, with a Rust upgrade, we will have 10 blocks per second. The speed is going to be like uncomparable, unbeatable. And also in 2025, maybe we will have also the Dark Knight. That's going to take Kaspa into another level. Like we are already with the current protocols, like with the Ghost DAG that we have, and also with the Golang, we are in another level. 1 block per second, unbeatable, okay, faster than anything else. But with 10 blocks per second, maybe in 2025 we will see also the 32 blocks per second plus the Dark Knight. Kaspa will be in insane level, and Kaspa can support also smart contracts. So for the third phase, maybe we will see smart contracts 2027. Okay, all the devs actually will focus to put in Kaspa smart contracts, and if this will happen, that's it. Funeral of Ethereum. Okay, funeral of Ethereum. Ethereum will be destroyed. We will see massive immigration from Ethereum projects to Kaspa because Kaspa is better. It follows 100% the main principles of Bitcoin, but with the innovative protocols that got, it's actually way better. It's the best crypto project that we have ever seen in the crypto. And for those who don't know, Kaspa is the only project close to fundamentals of Bitcoin. It actually has the same fundamentals of Bitcoin. It built upon the Bitcoin fundamentals, proof of work, you know, fair lands, no pre-allocation coins, no pre-mine coins, none of that scammy, sketchy things, okay? None of that. So Kaspa actually at this moment, through the innovative technology that got, is far better than anything that we have ever seen. For me, it's better than Bitcoin. The only thing that Bitcoin has better than Kaspa is that Bitcoin is operating for 14 years straight. So if you actually see that Kaspa only operating for 2 years, and if you put like in your calendar where Kaspa will be at 2030, guys, mark my words, you will see, guys, Kaspa above $1 trillion. And if we will have the smart contracts, this is gonna be the ultimate explosion of Kaspa. People don't get it, but the people who get it they're gonna change the lives, generational wealth, no matter what's your budget now, even with a few $1,000s. If you invest like as much as you can in Kaspa, guys, and this is not financial advice, but guys, your life will be changed forever. And check, guys, right now, 18th day of April 2015, 3.1 billion. As we are like today in Kaspa, Bitcoin was in that position in April 2015. And guys, if we go actually from a price perspective, you will notice, let me find it, that at that day, Bitcoin had $222. It's insanely. If you had the chance to buy Bitcoin $222, what would you say? Am I too late? Is this was going to be your concern? Am I too late? No. If you could actually go back the time and to be in that position, you would go like all in at that period. This is where Kaspa is standing with an outzoom. Okay, this is where Kaspa is standing with an outzoom. So if you do an outzoom and you don't care, like even if you buy now and you're willing to hold like 2025, 2029, okay, your life will be changed. Okay, Kaspa is heading to levels that most people cannot even think about, because Kaspa is not like the other layer ones. Kaspa actually has the best fundamentals in the crypto space. Don't compare it with Solana, Cardano in the bull run of 2021. That's nonsense. Kaspa is better than these projects. It's not proof of scam like proof of stake, okay? It's not proof of scam projects, no pre-allocations, none of that. It's not the same. Actually accomplishes 100% the main vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. Peer-to-peer payment system. This is Kaspa. And also you can store your money in Kaspa, like store value as Bitcoin does. This can happen also in Kaspa because Kaspa has the best fundamentals and is more efficient than anything else that we have ever seen. It's scalable, it's more scalable than everything else due to this insanely fast block creation, okay, insane speed, like 1 block per second, now 10 blocks per second in very, very few. Blocks always are more than the transactions, focusing blocks, not in transactions. And this is why Kaspa is the best form of money that we have ever seen in history, not only in crypto. Okay, actually Kaspa is money, is digital currency for everyone. It will bank the unbanked people. It's insane. Anyway, this is exactly where Kaspa is standing. If you do an outzoom and if you think like for the long term, if you buy now, we are still super early. So this is the video, guys. Thank you so much for your watching. If you have any question for the things that we spoke about, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check WealthNet, because WealthNet is a Patreon Discord group designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. WealthNet is a crypto community with elite crypto investors and like-minded people. You will find inside of WealthNet multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine, business owners, whatever. And all together, we are moving like a pack of sharks. You won't be in a pack of shrimps. We have really big knowledge and very elite people inside of WealthNet. Also in WealthNet, you will learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field and right now enjoy your wealthy life. And in WealthNet, guys, you'll avoid mistakes that can set you, like, even if you are investing now in crypto, broke by 2025 because you don't know what's coming. Okay, we are in this space for years and you can learn through our experience and through our mistakes. And if you're looking to be in the inner cycle of WealthNet with Lifetime, you will have furthermore benefits. The payment here is via crypto, otherwise is via Patreon, and you will have to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction for yourself, and we will be very happy actually to review that, and if you are eligible, to welcome you. And guys, for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, my recommendation, guys, definitely hands down is cold storage, the safest way. And My recommendation of a cold storage is Tadem wallet. Okay, with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your purchase. If you click here the link Tadem, it's gonna get you to the site. Up right in the corner, press get Tadem, and it's gonna put you in that page where you're gonna have to choose the 3-card set or 2-card set. I recommend you the 3-card set. Is way safer. You have one more option to lose a card. Go for that. Don't forget to put the promo code CryptoChris to get the 10% off. So highly recommend it if you want to sleep well in the night and with ultimate safety. Anyway, that's what I would like to tell you. This is the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see ya all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.